Good morning.
Hi, Booty. It's 10:43 a.m.
So, what do you have today?
I want to show you a really cool place in Ubud.
Ubud? You mean Ubud?
Yes, really sorry for the wrong pronunciation.
That's cool. But how's the weather?
The weather is really nice and bright.
Yeah, but my budget is extremely low right now.
Don't worry, this place is free or you don't have to pay.
Oh, really? Let's go then. Let's go.
In 200 meters, keep left at the fork.
I wanna hold your body close to me.
Hey, what's up guys? Jumpa lagi di Lali-Lali Bali. Kali ini kita akan mengajak teman-teman untuk lali-lali di daerah Ubud. Ditemani Surya yang pegang setir, saya yang pegang kamera, dan asisten baru kita yang saya kasih nama GA alias Google Assistant sebagai tour guide kita. So, Gea, tell us where we are going today.
Yes, of course. Today we will visit a place that is really cool and one of the icons of Ubud. The place is called Campuhan Hill or known as Campuhan Ridgewalk.
Campuhan? You mean Campuhan, right?
Yes, you are right. I'm sorry for the wrong pronunciation again.
Oh, you're fine. Don't worry. Tell us more about this place.
Of course, but before that, can you slow down the car a little? My head is getting dizzy.
Oh, we just actually speed up the footage. This is very slow in a real time.
In 200 meters, continue straight. This place is located in Bangjung Sidem Street, Kalusapayang in Ubud Gianyar Regency. You can use the Google map for directions.
All I wanna do now, maybe we can dance the night away. Is what I wanna do now. I hope that you can stay right here with me.
Continue straight.
Think I've got fire burning through my veins.
Well, I think we already arrived here. Do you know where's the parking area?
I'm not sure, but you can ask the person over there.
Parkirnya di mana, Pak? Oke. Kasih ya. Sama, Pak.
So, can you tell us more about this place?
Yes, with pleasure. This hill is located in the same area as Gunung Lebah Temple. The entrance is the same as the entrance type of villas and suites. After passing through the entrance gate of Ibah Villas and Suites, you will find Gunung Lebah Temple. There is also a signboard there. This time you have to turn right. It is free of charge. The track is very humid. The track is clear and the track is up to 1.5 meters wide. The distance to the top of the hill is about 2 kilometers with a travel time of about 15 to 20 minutes. Of the track there's a shop to buy a drink or snack, but the opening time is uncertain. Therefore, I suggest bringing mineral water with you when you hike. But remember, don't litter. This hill can be visited to see the sunrise or sunset. Many local residents and foreign tourists make Campuhan Hill a jogging location in the morning and evening. Apart from walking and jogging, tourists can also climb Campuhan Hill by cycling. Bicycle rentals can be found in several locations in Ubud. Many inns also rent out bicycles for use during the day.
Okay, can we take a break for a moment?
Oh, come on, you can do better than that. You also have to walk to the end of the track.
Okay, but just 5 minutes for picture taking, okay? we made it. Sekarang kita sudah sampai di ujung trek. Oke guys, sekian dulu liputan dari kita dari Bukit Campuhan, Ubud. As always guys, stay safe and healthy, and bye for now. Oh wait. You have something to say?
Yes, I have something to say. I hope you enjoy your trip today. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel for more trips to interesting places in Bali. And bye for now. Peace.